numbers. What are numbers, right? Basic building block of mathematics was numbers. When we were young, third class, fourth class, वहां से शुरू करेंगे आज अपन लोग, ठीक है? So, what are natural numbers, guys? Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, huh? You remember the song? And till infinity. Till infinity. So, आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं? 1 to infinity. जहां मर्जी चले जाओ. Wherever you want to go, don't worry. So what is this? What exactly is this? 1 to infinity नहीं लिखा मैंने. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because आपकी सबसे बड़ा मिथ क्या है? Numbers. You write 1 to infinity. You think 1.1 is also a natural number. Agreed? No. Only counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No fraction, no decimal. No fraction, no decimal. Think of advent of civilization. When people started settling down, they needed something to count. I have 4 cows. I have 7 horses. 7.5 horses नहीं होता है, ठीक है? So settling down, basic, पहला counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Clear? I have 11 children. All right, natural numbers. Clear? Then what are whole numbers, guys? Then came the great Indian scientist who invented zero. What was his name? Aryabhatta. Right? So Aryabhatta said 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. Aryabhatta. So he said there has to be some representation of nothing. I have nothing. Beautiful. I had 4 cows. There was a flood. सारी cows चली गई. कितनी बची? 0. Nothing. Right? So what is the meaning of 0? It represents nothing. Guys, come on, quick. These are basic. Clear? And again, no fraction, no decimal. Clear? So see, civilization is settling down. We needed counting. So there was counting tool, natural numbers. Then we needed to represent something that does not exist, nothing. That was 0. Then came integers. Guys, what are integers? Negative. Have you heard of negativity? A lot of you talk about negative thoughts, but these are negative numbers only, right? Not negative thoughts. So listen. Now, people settling down, you needed negative of a number. He said, I had 4 cows and I put a bet of 7 cows and I lost a bet. So how many cows are with him now? -3, right? So negative numbers were required. है ना? Negative की जरूरत थी. So it is -infinity to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. Clear? See the building process of numbers. First was natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up till infinity. Second is whole numbers. Natural में 0 ऐड कर दीजिए, whole बन गया. Third is integers. इन्हीं में whole numbers में इनकी negative images कर दीजिए. The quality, first 3 cases, no fractions, no decimals. Important. So जो integers you used to write were -infinity to infinity, which mean all the numbers. No, not right. These are negative numbers, but not negative fractions, not negative decimals. Is it okay? Guys, come on. Is it okay? शुगर है, बोलो सर बहुत क्लास लगाते हैं, तो ठीक है ना भाई, it's okay. So what? Everyone attends classes, right? So this was the building block. So now what do you need? इसके बाद क्या चाहिए as a society? There was a farmer, he had big land, he had 4 sons, he wanted to divide that land into his sons, which means now you need fractions. 1 by 4, isn't it? So fraction का क्या होता है guys? Come on. Fractions means rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Numbers of the form, hey come on आगे बोलो, numbers of the form p upon q. आगे q not equal to 0. Great. आगे बोलो बोलो. Anything else? क्यों? नेगेटिव फ्रैक्शंस भी होती है? नहीं. और कुछ? एनीवन एल्स? सुनो, डोंट वरी. पहली चीज, q नॉट इक्वल टू 0, डिवीजन बाय 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है, डिवीजन बाय 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. क्लियर? उसके बाद HCF of P and Q is 1. Since our childhood, this is what we have been doing. Have you ever written your answer as 15 upon 20? No. You cancel off common factors. It is 3 by 4. Why did you cancel off common factors? Because whenever you are writing a fraction, there should not be any common factor between numerator and denominator other than 1. इसीलिए cancel कर देते हैं हम लोग. So which means 15 by 20 is not a rational number. 3 by 4 is a rational number. Is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Right. So that is the reason. तो हम बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, but हमें reason नहीं पता था. And the most important part is P and Q should belong to integers. P और Q दोनों integers होने चाहिए. P and Q should be integers. Fractions can be negative also. Clear? Fraction सिर्फ पॉजिटिव तो नहीं होता है ना, नेगेटिव भी तो होता है फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर है बेटा? Guys, is it clear? All I need is yes sir. Even one class student comes, I don't mind. You need to just tell me कि सर मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं, पहली क्लास है सर मुझे नहीं आता. Brilliant. This is what you have not been able to do throughout your life. मैथ्स से क्यों नफरत है? कभी पूछा ही नहीं है ना. मार खाई है कभी? टीचर से खाई है? मैंने तो बहुत खाई है. क्यों खाई है? पूछा. क्वेश्चन would always have a problem, but please don't you think this is your last chance? अभी पूछो, don't worry, we will answer your questions. ठीक है, but you need to ask ना कि सर प्लीज हेल्प मी, है ना. चलिए, और why, so why q not equal to 0 guys? Because anything divided by 0 is, yes, brilliant. Not defined, not possible. Great. Infinity नहीं होता है, right? Anything divided by 0 is not defined, indeterminate. ये clear है सबको? So आप लोगों से एक क्वेश्चन है, please answer my question. Is every integer a rational or every rational an integer? बताइए. Every integer is a rational number or every rational number is an integer? चलो तुम बोलो, क्या कह रहे हो? अरे छोड़ ना यार, तू मुझे बोल. Every rational number is integer. Yes. इतनी प्यारी इंग्लिश बोल रहा है. Don't worry, even I have done so. What do you say? दोनों सही लग रहे हैं. Reason?
Integers are also divisible by 1.
Brilliant. That's wonderful. She is right. Actually, every integer is a rational number, because देखिए rational number fraction को define कर रहे हैं, है ना. But integer जो है इसमें कोई fraction नहीं है. If you pick up any integer, she is right. If you pick up -3 can be written as -3 upon 1 in the form of p upon q. So लिख लीजिए, every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number, and vice versa is not always true. Ab clear hai? Now, we have spoken about natural. Natural से whole, whole से integers, integers से rational. Is it clear? यहाँ तक सबको? Guys, is it clear? Great. Then comes irrational. What are irrational numbers, guys? Irrational numbers क्या होते हैं? Anyone? Anyone? वो तो rational है. No, there is no distinction in terms of fraction. देखो जैसे होता है literate तो फिर बोलता है illiterate. What is literate? What is the meaning of literate? मतलब bookish meaning is पढ़ा लिखा, educated, isn't it? What is illiterate? Basic education नहीं है जिसमें. That's wrong actually, isn't it? But चलो, so what is rational? Then what is irrational? First definition is numbers that are not rational or irrational. You can write, isn't it? So पहला definition तो यही है guys. Numbers that are not rational. But again, it does not. It won't satisfy your curiosity. But sir, है क्या? Isn't it? What exactly is irrational? Anyone? Bar. Number with bars are rational. लिख लो. Not irrational. Numbers with bar. You know numbers with bar, na? So this kind of number 0.365 bar. Yeah, it is basically 0.365656565 till infinity. So any number with bar would now be rational. So it is not irrational. Oof. अब क्या करेगा? What are irrational numbers now? क्या बोला? किसी ने बोला? बोलो यार. I think you're right. That way we can write. So see, irrational numbers क्या होता है? Decimals that are non-terminating and non-recurring. Decimals that are non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating माने? Have you seen movie Terminator? देखा है Terminator movie? Terminator सबको खत्म कर दूंगा. Right? So non-terminating is that never ends. Right? Non-recurring is जो बार बार repeat नहीं होता है. See, this is this number. Please pay attention. This is non-terminating. है ना, guys? Yes, this is non-terminating but recurring. बार बार recur हो रहा है और repeat हो रहा है. See, 65, 65, 65, 65. बार बार repeat हो रहा है. So this is not a irrational number. This is a rational number. So if I want to write an irrational number like this, 0.365731189016321114974311114970083 and so on. इस तरह मैंने लिख दिया. This number keeps on going, doesn't stop. So what is this? This is non-terminating. See, it doesn't stop. It is non-recurring. There is no regular pattern. So this is your irrational. Kindly write it now. This is your irrational number. A decimal that is non-terminating and non-recurring. Kindly write it. अब क्लियर है सबको? ठीक है, फर्क है. So this is your rational number. Number with bar are rational numbers. Irrational numbers are totally different. What are the examples of irrational number? Come on. Yes, pi approximately is 22/7. Exact value is not known, right? Similarly, root of 2, root of 3, root of 5, root of 7, pi, ये सारे irrational numbers हैं. Root of 2 का finite value is not known. We take approximate value as 1.414, but exact value नहीं पता है अपने को. Clear? अरे यार कुछ तो बोल लो यार, इतना डेड चाय पियोगे क्या तुम लोग? हाँ, इतना पॉवर्टी. I'm not talking about your financial resources, right? I'm talking about poverty in terms of answering questions, right? If you're sitting over here, obviously you're not poor. Clear है guys? अरे clear है? So now we are sorted, and then comes most important, real numbers. What are real numbers? Every number, all numbers, right? Real numbers are minus infinity to infinity, sorry numbers. But the best definition is real numbers are rational plus irrational numbers. Actually सबसे best definition ये होती है, rational plus irrational. These are real numbers. Clear है? And number system ना अब तुम्हारे mind में it should be like inscribed in your mind. How do you do that? देखिए, इधर देखो सब लोग. Please pay attention. If this is a set of natural numbers, इसमें 0 ऐड किया तो बन गया whole. So natural numbers are contained in whole numbers, right? उसमें negatives ऐड किए तो बन गया integers. आपने बोला था every integer is a rational number, बोला था. Irrational numbers are totally different from rational. Rational plus irrational gives you, ये रहा आपका डायग्राम. प्लीज ये मार्क कर लीजिए, आज के बाद एज अ स्टूडेंट you should never ever have a different logic about number system at least. All clear? All is well. Remember that, right? कभी टेंशन हो जाए, स्ट्रेस हो जाए, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है, टेंशन नहीं लेना है बस. बढ़ा जाए आगे guys. Now one issue is बार वाला number is a rational number, है ना? As we discussed, बार वाला number is a rational number, and you know every rational number can be written in terms of P upon Q. Agreed or not? So then I say what would be 0.379 bar written in terms of P upon Q. This has come in UPSC 2 times. Alright, kindly write it now. First trick, you love tricks. लीजिए पहला trick, trick 1. 0.379 bar would be equal to, guys देखिए, 379. Write down the full number, right? Minus the number which does not have bar, minus 3. Clear? Okay, पहले देख लो, बाद में लिखना. Minus 3 upon as many numbers as have bar, put as many nines. Numbers that are having bar on them, for them represented by nines. So two numbers are having bar, 2 nines, right? And a number that is not having bar should be represented by 0. So your answer is 376 upon 990. Now you can write it, please. Now you can write it. Do you want to know why? Why is the most important essence ना? Why sir? Why are you doing so? पहले एक बार practice करते हैं. Is it okay? One more sir? Shall we do one more? Right? I say what is 0.198 bar? Only bar on 8. Bar is only on 8. What would be P upon Q? Come on guys. Yeah, nobody sits idle here. Don't come over here to just to look at it. Come on, do it. Come on, do it, guys. Do it. 179 upon 900, right? It is 198 minus 19 upon the bar. Bar would be represented by 9. Non-bar will be represented by 0, 0. It is 179 upon 900. Clear? Clear? So what is 0.79 bar? Bar on 79. Brilliant. It is 79 upon 99 because there is nothing. So we will represent only by 9s. Clear? ठीक है. UPSC question. 1.23 bar. Put in terms of P upon Q. क्या होगा? No. क्या होगा? Now see, UPSC would always be one step ahead. Whatever हमारा जो फंडा था ना guys, it was working for 0 point something, 0 point something है ना, and UPSC has given you 1.23 bar. So can you write it as 1 plus 0.23 bar? You should have done that, isn't it? Which is actually 1 plus 23 by 99, which actually is 122 by 99 as your answer. See the difference. One step ahead. Clear? What is 0.2 bar plus 0.3 bar plus 0.4 bar? Check करो जल्दी. See, brilliant. It's 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 4 by 9. 9 by 9, which is equal to 1. Clear? So, now we know what is basic number system. Natural numbers क्या हैं? A lot of time UPSC asks in the paper P, Q, R belong to integers. Now you know when he says integers, P and Q and R are not fractions, not decimals. They are positive or negative numbers, but only counting numbers. Getting it? That is really important. That is the essence. And then you know one trick where a number with bar can be converted by P upon Q. ये clear है सबको?